Hello everyone, it's Mr. A with Alisal Community Arts Network in Alisal Union School District. This video is for the exercise Kandinsky. Kandinsky is not one of our musical words that we've learned so far, like chords, oscillators, arpeggios. Kandinsky is actually a person. So we're going to do something we haven't done before. Come up to the upper right corner, click on the question mark, and let's read this description. Kandinsky. This experiment is inspired by Wassily Kandinsky, an artist who compared painting to making music. It turns anything you draw, lines, circles, triangles, or scribbles, into sound. Now that's pretty interesting. Let's go back to our main screen, nothing on it. Let's draw something. Oh, our lines are turned into sounds. Click on them, play them again. Let's draw some more lines, cool little design. And if we click this play button, it will actually play our drawing for us in order. This is a lot of fun. Let's see if we can keep drawing. We can add lines while it goes. Undo anything with the undo button. It'll stop the playback. Can do that. What else did it say we could try? We could draw triangles. Let's try a triangle. Oh, that's cool. We hear a cymbal sound instead of a string sound. Let's try a circle. What? A face! Oh wow, that's a lot of fun. Circles, faces, triangles. Even click during playback to hear something else. This is a lot of fun. Let's come to our colored circle down here and select another theme. Changes our instruments. Sounds like other types of strings, plucking, different voices. Sounds like a cowbell of some sort. And let's check our other color here. That's great. This creativity is endless. Draw whatever you want. Little tiny sounds, big sounds, all sorts of faces, big crazy squiggle. Make an absolute masterpiece. Kandinsky inspired himself by turning his art into sound, and this program will do the same for you. Have a lot of fun with Kandinsky, guys. Enjoy. Bye-bye.